What's up, guys? Dan here. Check this out. You're not gonna believe this. I got some eggs. I'm gonna see what they do. I'm gonna put them under this bucket right here. I'm gonna see what these damn things do. Let's find out.
What do you think them are gonna do, Dan?
Hey, I think it's gonna fucking blow this bucket to smithereens. I think these eggs are gonna blow up in the hot sun. I think it's gonna explode. Yeah! Whoa! I knew it. Chickens, I'm telling you, you got that straight from the chicken's butt. Boom! It'll blow your bucket up right now. Shut her down. Boom! Shakalaka! Oh yeah! Let's check it out. Come on, boys. See what we got here. One hit me in the leg. You think it took old Dan out? Hell no, boys.
Whoa, I got hit by some debris.
Whoa. Whoa, yeah. Man, I love it. Check this stuff out, boys. Nothing but a war zone.
Dan, you supposed to be out here working. You done blowed this place up.
Hey, listen, bro. Hank done every bit of this. Look, right there's one of his shoes.